So guys, welcome once again. Please, we have to solve this question. We have 32 exponent 4 minus 4 exponent 8. Okay, we have to solve this without using a calculator. We are not to use a calculator. Okay, so before we start, this 32, let us try to break it down. Okay, we know that 32 we can express it as 2 exponent 5. Okay, and then this 4 can also express it as 2 exponent 2. Okay, so our expression now becomes 2 exponent 5 bracket exponent 4 minus 2 exponent 2 bracket exponent 8. Okay, so now with this we can say that 2 exponent 5 times this, you can rewrite it as 2 exponent 5 multiplied by 4 minus 2 exponent 2 multiplied by 8. So we are going to get 2 exponent 4 times 5, we are getting 20 here, minus 2 exponent 2 times 8 is 16. Okay, now which is equal to this 20, we need to express 2 exponent 20 to look like 2 exponent 16 so that it will be easy for us to continue. So with this, we can say that 2 exponent 20, we can say 16 plus 4. Okay, because 16 plus 4 is 20. Okay, minus 2 exponent 16. Now, this 2 exponent 16 plus 4, we can rewrite it as 2 exponent 16 multiplied by 2 exponent 4 minus 16. Sorry, minus 2 exponent 16. Let me write it here. 2 exponent 16. Now we are having common terms here. We are having 2 exponent 16 here, 2 exponent 16 here. So we can factorize 2 exponent 16 outside. Okay, then leaving 2 exponents 4, then minus 1, like this. And also 2 exponent 16 into bracket, 2 exponent 4 is common. We all know that 2 exponent 4 is 16. Okay, so 16 minus 1. And 16 minus 1 is 15. So we are going to get 2 exponent 16 into bracket 15, like this. Now, this 2 exponent 16 is huge to multiply. Some of us can't do it straight away. So we can also break it down to be 2 exponent. This is, you can write it as 8 plus 8. Okay, multiplied by 15. So we are going to get 2 exponent 8 multiplied by 2 exponent 8 multiplied by 15. Okay, let's take this. 2 exponent 8 is the same as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so with this, we can say that 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2, which is 8, 8 times 2, which is 16. Okay, 16 times 2, which is 32. 32 times 2 is 64. 64 times 2 is 128. And 128 times 2, we are getting 256. So which is equal to 256. Okay, so now we know that 2 exponent 8 is the same as 256. So our expression now becomes 256 multiplied by 256 multiplied by 15. Good. And also 256 times 256, because we are restricted, not to use a calculator, we can't, some of us, we can't just go straight by this. So we can write this as 256 into bracket, then we break this 256 into 200 plus 50 plus 6 multiplied by 15. Okay, so now we can say that it's the same as 256 multiplied by 200 plus 256 multiplied by 50 plus 256 multiplied by 6, then times our 15. So let's put this in a bracket. The multiplications. So this one we are going to get 0, 0 plus of the two zeros. Okay, so 0, 0, and then 2 times 6 is 12. So 2, a remainder of 1. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So remainder of 1, carry 1. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Then plus 0 times this will be 0. 5 times 6 is 30. So 0, a remainder of 3. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 plus 3, we are getting 28. So 8, a remainder of 2. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Then plus 6 times 6, we are getting 36. So 6, a remainder of 3. 6 times 5 is 30. 30 plus 3 is 33. We still a remainder of 3. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. So multiply by 15 here. Now let's sum this up. So now 6 plus 0 plus 0, I'm getting 6. 3 plus 0 plus 0 is 3. 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 2 is 15. Okay, so 5, a remainder of 1. So 1 plus 3, 1 plus 2, which is 3, plus 1, which is 4, plus the remainder, which is 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. And then, now this our 15, we can break it down as 10 plus 5, so that it will be easy to multiply this huge number by 10 and 5. Okay, now let's continue with this. So we can say that 6, 5, 5, 3, 6 multiplied by 10 plus 6, 5, 5, 3, 6 multiplied by 5, which is equal to, now 65,536 times 10, you are getting 65,530. Okay, plus, now here is where we need a lot of work here. 6 times 5 is 30. So 0, a remainder of 3. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. So 8, a remainder of 1. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 plus 1 is 26. So 6, a remainder of 2. 5 times 5 again is 25. 25 plus 2 is 27. So 7, a remainder of 2. 5 times 6 is 30. 30 plus 2 is 32. So write it here. Now we need to add these two numbers together. Okay, so let's continue with this, which is equal to 0. Remember, you are not to use a calculator. Okay, 0 plus 0, you're getting 0. 8 plus 6 is 14. So 4, a remainder of 1. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So 0, a remainder of 1. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So 3, a remainder of 1. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 3 plus 6, we are getting 9. Okay, so if you look at this, we can say that 32 exponent 4 minus 4 exponent 8 gives us 983,040. So this is our final answer for this question. Thank you for watching. Please, if you have a different method to go by, kindly share with us so that we all learn it in an easiest way. Thank you for watching.